Yippee, come here. Now you go right to bed. You're a very, very naughty boy. Always teasing that poor little dog. Someday, Yippee will grow up and be bigger than you, and then you'll be sorry that you teased him. Once upon a time, there was a little boy just like you. He had a little dog whose name was Yippee. Yippee was very, very small, and the little boy would always tease him until one day the little dog grew up. He grew to be as big as an elephant. And now one day the little dog grew up. He grew up to be as big as an elephant. And he teased and tormented this little boy because Yippee the dog remembered how the little boy teased him when he was very small. And the little boy cried and begged this great big dog not to harm him. But the dog only laughed and said, "Always remember, do unto others as you would have them do unto you." And now, be a good boy and go to sleep. Remember, don't tease the little dog anymore, because someday he'll be bigger than you. Bigger than me? As big as me. He'll never be as big as me. He'll never, never be as big as me.
Stand up. Lie down. Stand up. Roll over. Get up. Lay down. Turn over. Stand up. Lay down. Get up. Roll over. Stand up. Lay down. Get up. Turn over. Get up. Stand up. Turn over. Roll over. Get up. Lay down. Get up. Roll over. Lay down. Stand up. Get up. Turn over. Get up. Lay down. Roll over. Turn over. Stand up. Lay down. Get up.